हरिद्वार पहुंच चुके हैं। अब वी आर गोइंग फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट कम लंच कम ब्रंच। लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गेट टू ईट। पकड़ लिया। दिस इज़ द वर्ल्ड फेमस मथुरा वालों की प्राचीन दुकान। यू गेट फेमस हलवा पूरी ओवर हियर, चना पूरी। दुकान के सामने खड़ी हूँ और अभी मैंने आलू पूरी खाई और इतनी स्वाद थी आलू पूरी, बालूशाही, यहाँ की लस्सी बहुत स्वाद थी। जब भी आपको टाइम मिले तो ज़रूर आके यहाँ पे खाना।
हरि की पौड़ी का नाम हरि की पौड़ी कैसे पड़ा? ये माना जाता है कि राजा विक्रमादित्य के भाई भरतहरि ने गंगा नदी के तट पर कई वर्षों तक तपस्या की थी और उनकी मृत्यु के बाद उनके भाई ने उनकी याद में ये घाट बनवाया था। कहते हैं आज भी इस पहाड़ी के नीचे भरतहरि के नाम से एक गुफा है और भरतहरि के नाम में से ही हरि लेकर इस घाट का नाम हरि की पौड़ी रखा गया और आज तक इसको हरि की पौड़ी या हर की पौड़ी कहा जाता है।
तो आज के लिए हमारा हरिद्वार का यहीं तक होता है सफ़र ख़त्म। अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने अगले पड़ाव की ओर जो कि है ऋषिकेश। So this is the hotel I'll be staying for the night, and let's see how it is.
This is the washroom, guys. That's me. The toilet seats over here. This is the sink area and this is the bath area. Pretty decent. Then you have the luggage area over here. You have a cupboard and you have a locker here. Pretty good. Then you enter the room. There's a side table here. There's the coffee station. That's me. And you can see through the washroom if you want. And we have a TV over here. We have a set-top box. Then एक study table दिया है इन्होंने जिसके साथ chair भी है. And then there are these two beautiful big chairs just to relax. And then guys, सब बढ़िया है रूम में. As you can see, it's perfect, it's neat, it's clean, it's spacious. Only thing that's not good is what's behind these windows. Means यहाँ से इतना अच्छा व्यू हो सकता था and they have covered the whole window with these stickers. Just see. Like this is Shivji on. Probably that's a bull. Yeah. And this is the view that I have from the window. So alright, everything's good, but the window part could have been better. And that's me. This is my outfit for the day. Comfy. Toodles. See you in the next part of the video. This hotel ने हमें high tea दी थी. And just look at the view. Over there we have the food and all. They gave us complimentary sandwiches and cookies with coffee and tea. मेरे को black coffee चाहिए थी उन्होंने नहीं दी, but anyways just look at the view. This is the view from the 6th floor of my hotel, and I'll just show you the Ganga. This is the Ganga river flowing, and it flows and flows and just goes and flowing इधर से बिल्कुल वहाँ तक. And this is me guys. Hello. I am right by the Ganga river. I came up, it's 5:30 for here, and we are leaving after having our tea. We'll be leaving for the Aarti. Hotel wale they'll be escorting us. Just look at the view behind me. Just look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. You can just sit here the whole day and enjoy. These are the cookies. Guys, just look at the view. Food is good. यहाँ का food is really nice. ये scooter दिखाना तो मैं भूल ही गई थी इन्होंने. They've parked it on the 6th floor just for the fun of it and for decoration. Adds to the beauty of the whole view. But it does. It's not needed though. This view is in itself sufficient. It's cloudy today. You can see as it is. बारिश already हो चुकी है, अब और होगी maybe. Guys, I just climbed another floor and just see from the top. Isn't it just amazing? This is Rishikesh, guys. And मेरे पीछे देखो sunset हो रहा है. I don't know if you can see it from here, but see, it's so good. तो अभी 6:15 हो चुके हैं and we are going for the आरती. अब आज से आरती का टाइम 6:30 हो चुका है, तो हम थोड़ा सा later we are just walking. It's just 10 minutes away from our hotel. So see you at the आरती. To walk this for like around 7 minutes. We've reached the ghat. We have थोड़ा सा बस on time, 5 minutes left for the आरती to start. आप सुन सकते हैं अभी before आरती things going on. अभी we are going for the आरती. We are lots in rush.
सकलाय जगत बिताए
Ganga Aarti is perhaps the most important event related to the holy river. The idea is to show gratitude and respect to the river and in general to the whole universe and ask for its blessings. A great many people come to Haridwar to get a glimpse of the holy river, more so to witness the beautiful Ganga Aarti sessions that happen here. This ritual is carried on here with so much of great pomp and show, and there is such a sense of beauty and grace to it.
हमने आरती देख ली है अब. Now we are headed to the Lakshman Jhula and we'll be taking a public safari, that is an auto. See you on the other side. Hi guys, thank you for watching the video. This is my first ever travel vlog, and if you enjoyed watching this video, do press the thumbs up button and tell me that you liked it. If you think your friends and family would enjoy it, just share it with them and leave your comments in the comment section below and subscribe for the algorithms. Thank you. See you on the other side.